It's just you got to be passionate about it. If you want to start a business to make money, you hear it a lot, it's not the right way to do it. You got to do something that you enjoy and find a way to make money with what you enjoy. Because if you're passionate, you'll be up late at night. You'll work through weekends because you get something really great out of it and it feels good. My name's Antony and I'm the founder and director of your Decal Shop. So I sort of do everything, being a small New Zealand business, but now I've got quite a cool little team that take over some really key aspects of what we do. And we design and make wall decals and wall murals and some laser cut bamboo. There's sort of two sides to the business. There's the online side and then there's the commercial side. So we've got, I think, 500 designs that we've done online, including this one, which is about to be released. And then what happens is we don't stock anything, but when you go online, you choose the size you want and then pay for it. We get the order and then we make it. So that's one side of the business. Another side is the custom area, where we do a lot of businesses. And so this here, what Kieran's working on, is a Nelson's Children's Ward. So we've designed it around the whole native wildlife in the area. So once it's been designed, then we go send it through here and then we print it all on the wide format printers. We're really strong on sustainability, so wherever we can, we try to make it as good as we can. When we work with hospitals and children's wards and doing full artworks on the wall, it is creating a form of distraction for the kids and families, and it's definitely the most rewarding thing that we've worked on over the years. We really enjoy doing it. The nice thing about that is they can relate to things, you can talk about it, and for a moment, you're not worried about what's sort of happening to you. I initially studied product design and absolutely loved it. I ended up moving to Germany, found a job in graphic design for a company doing wall decorations. And it was the biggest company in Germany. And I worked my way up into the head of product development. So I ended up inventing new products for the European market. And we made some really cool stuff. And then I came back to New Zealand. I just went to job after job and I just could not find anything like that in New Zealand. And that's when I sort of had that light bulb moment that, hey, maybe I should just make the job myself. I had an overdraft for about $500 left because we spent everything traveling, and I used that to buy a laptop. And I sat at the end of the bed, my mum's garage, and just started drawing decals. Ended up picking a really cheap vinyl cutter. And so I went into designing tuis and fantails, and instead of doing something really cheap, I thought, let's just do it really good. Because it is a decal, it doesn't mean it has to be nasty. So I started working with really good products and spending a long time on the design. And it wasn't more expensive. It was $120 instead of $40, but it sold the next day. And that gave me really good a motive, like, okay, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna focus on this quality product. And I worked from home for quite a while actually, and just slowly built up everything. Like you see, there's a lot of stuff here, but this came from nothing. It all started with that laptop. We don't want to ever be a company that makes mass products. Everything's made to order. We want to keep it that way. It's important for people to know that it's going back into the economy and showing that we are people behind it and that we're not just stocking products and throwing them out, that there's a whole process. And for being New Zealand made, people can sort of relate, okay, these guys are actually doing something. I can relate to that. The result, seeing it, seeing something, like even doing it for 12 years, you make something really cool once it's on the wall. The impact is always so much better than you expect, and that's so amazing. When you hear people walk in and go, wow, that's so cool. I live for that, that's great.